yeah? Right, guys, can I just say, first thing...
You're going to sing a playback.
Right, guys, listen up. We did this together.
Yeah.
We did this together.
Yeah,
So it's not just me,
It's me as well.
right? It's everyone in here. Right, now what we're going to do is this. If we all come down. Right, so, hold on. Hold on, wait. So, on there, it says there, Mr. Hussain is a legend.
Can you move your hip?
Okay, right, so if I just show you that there, it says Mr. Hussain for passing 100,000 subscribers.
That's insane, sir.
Right, so you get the silver one. Now I need to aim for
A million.
a million. YouTube had given me a silver. Hold on, YouTube gave me a silver play button, and not only that, I've got. I think it's gone over 190,000 subscribers. So I'm gearing towards.
Allahumma barik.
I'm gearing. We've had lots of fun this year. The amount of fun that we've had doing dissections and practical work, and just the, and you know what, and just the banter has just been absolutely amazing, right? So next year, obviously, I don't know whether I'm going to get you guys or not. I don't know. Okay, but what we will do, listen up. What we will do is this: we're going to unbox. We're going to unbox this. Okay.
When did it come?
So he arrived. So he arrived last week.
Tuesday.
Okay, and I said to myself, I'm going to unbox this with my Year 8 group because you know what? You have been wonderful. Okay, right. So listen up. So I haven't seen this before.
Is it YouTube playback?
Yeah. I've never seen it before, so it's the first time. So they've been giving it to me. So let's have a look.
Oh. I thought it was empty. I thought it was empty for a second.
Suspense is key. The suspense.
Yo, let's see.
Right. So here it is. There's a little plaque. Let's have a look at it. Hold on. So it's a little plaque. Okay. Let's have a look. Hold on. So that's the plaque there. Okay. Right. Let me read this. Right. Do you remember your first subscriber?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I think it's some of you, like, you know, if I'm honest. I think it is some of you.
Find out about YouTube.
Okay, the second thing you got to think about is this, right? Or your 100th subscriber. Or your 1,000th subscriber. I don't remember. If I'm honest with you, I wasn't expecting this. I think this actually blew up overnight, didn't it? I think someone said to me, "Oh, sir, did you know that one of your videos is here?" You know that you'll definitely remember your 100th. No, I don't. I don't remember any of these. I'm not going to lie to you. Okay? Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, and so forth and so
Who
forth.
the hell is Clay Young?
We're proud of you to honour the impressive milestone of reaching 100,000.
Bismillah.
Okay?
What's a jinn? Toba. Clay Young.
Okay, listen up. So we're proud of the proud to honour you, impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations.
When are you gonna get the gold one? Just
So the gold one, I think, is 1 million.
Yeah.
sir. Now you can see your shiny forehead.
Oh, is it like that? So just show you again. You can video this if you need to.
I need to.
Can we all like touch it?
Can I touch it?
It's just a little board. That's what it is. Yeah.
Is it heavy?
You'll put your mitts on it.